Hey Facebook, it's Dan Ramos from Intelligent Automation coming to you live from another job site that we've been working on, and I wanted to give you a quick look at ColorBeam. ColorBeam is another low voltage LED lighting solution that's powered over Cat5. So why don't we walk in, this is a restaurant, and take a look at it. Alright folks, so here we are. We're in this restaurant that's also a lounge that's using low voltage Cat5 powered LED lights that look amazing, fantastic. These are 9-watt lights currently that are providing lights that are completely tunable, completely adjustable, dimmable from 0 to 100%, 100% down to 0, and you can change the color temperature from anywhere from 1100 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, as well as the color change themselves. I mean, again, these lights just look fantastic, they look amazing, they're really bright. Again, those are the 9-watters right there. They'll come around. The other ones right here, those are 18-watters, which are put out 4 times the amount of light. You know, really slim light, slim trim design. And they just look fantastic. Take a look down the strip here. You'll see it's completely lit up, and it just looks clean. It looks fantastic. So we'll come over here. You know, working here today with folks from AV Media Concepts. They're working on the audio system here as we do the lights, and you know, we're working together. So this is what the lights actually look like. 3-chip LED lights, each about 3 watts a piece. It gives you a total of 9. They are RGBW, which means you have a full complement of lights, colors, shades, and textures. Well, colors, I should say, no shade and shades, no textures. But you can provide any kind of light that you'd like. And these are made by a company called ColorBeam North America. So they're made right here in North America. And again, if you notice on the back of it, you'll see that has a Cat5 connection. You know, and you can daisy chain depending on the amount of wattage you need, the total number of lights. So on 9-watt lights, you can daisy chain up to 4 for a total of 36 watts, or you can daisy chain 3 12-watters, and then you can also daisy chain 2 18s, or you can have 136. They look really fantastic, you know? So, just wanted to let you know. It's always an option, and it just looks really great. Alright? Again, my name is Daniel Ramos. I'm with Intelligent Automation. To find out more about ColorBeam, give us a call. Number is 888-711-4521. Or send us an email at sales@intellimation.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.